crafty friends, welcome to the attic. Today I'm doing a flip through of an RPG or role-playing game Lapbook that I created for my husband. I used several kits from a few different designers, and I will have all the links for the kits I used in the description box. I used the Gothic Dream Kit from Natty and Moon, also from Natty and Moon, the Witch Kit, also from Natty and Moon, Elven Fantasy, and lastly from Natty and Moon, Cursed. From Ink and Page, I used Cabinet of Curiosities, and the spell cards were the Wizard spell cards from DemiDice on Etsy. The Lapbook consists of 5 sections, 3 measuring 6 by 9 and 2 measuring 4 by 9 with 2 1-inch by 9-inch spines. I used a leather tie as a closure and have a clip attached to the left spine in an eyelet to hold a drawstring bag that holds a set of dice. The Lapbook measures 6 inches wide by 9 inches tall. And it is just a little over an inch thick. I'm going to walk you through the main construction of the Lapbook. There are 5 panels. Left side has a 6-inch panel with a 4-inch flap. The middle is a 6-inch panel, and the right has a 6-inch panel with a 4-inch flap. The 4-inch flap on the left side opens up to reveal the 6-inch panel that has a pocket at the bottom to hold various notes for the game. The middle panel holds a spiral notebook that contains note sheets for taking notes throughout the game. It is held in by a matching belly band. The notebook is removable. The notebook is approximately 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. The right panel, the 4-inch flap, opens up to reveal the 6-inch panel that has a pocket that holds the spell cards. I apologize for the glare. We have laminated some of these cards that he's actually using in the game he's playing right now. I am going to flip through all these cards that are available from DemiDice, and I have linked his information in the description box if you would like to go over and see what else he has available. Because this is just a few of the many sets that he has available on his Etsy site. And all the cards fit in the pocket of this 6-inch panel. On the 4-inch flap, there's a side tuck pocket that can hold cards or other notes. The lock on this pocket has a moving top piece that I created with a hidden brad. On the back of the 4-inch panel, there's another pocket that can hold more cards or tags or notes. I cannot show the entire Lapbook completely open, as it is approximately 28 inches wide when completely opened. Some of the artwork, like this image here, was AI generated and created by one of the players in his role-playing game. I hope y'all have enjoyed this brief flip through of the Lapbook that I created for my husband, and I hope he gets many hours of enjoyment using it when he's playing in his role-playing games. This is a complete kit that is compact, that he can carry with him wherever he is playing or even when he's playing online. And now that I've made this, I hope he understands a little bit more about why we create journals. If you would like to see more journals and memory keeping content, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I put up my next video. And until next time, y'all take care.